guys, so today is going to be a review that I purchased from Amazon, and it's a body piercing kit. I'll put all the links down below in the description box. Let me go get it. I thought I had it with me. Alright, so when you get the kit, it comes in a little envelope like this, and this one's from Body For You. I'm pretty sure, I think they sell it on eBay as well. I've seen a lot of Body For You jewelry on there on Amazon, on eBay, and I use this, so that's why it's a review, not an unboxing. But what it comes with the clamps. It comes with, I think, 2 of these alcohol pads. It comes with 2 pairs of black gloves. I don't know if these are sanitized or not, but when I did use them, I did washed them with soap and water with antibacterial soap and dried them off. So this is the other one. It comes with a pack of 2 15 gauge needles, and the rest are 16 gauge, which I loved. The other needles, it comes with, which one is this one? This one is 14. I use quite a lot of the 14, and they actually came with 2, I think 2 or 1 13 gauge needles, and these are all sterilized, and the clamps are sterilized also, says it on the package. Next you get tons of range of different jewelry, not tons, but different varieties of jewelry, what you want to go for. They have the 14 and the 16 gauge jewelry. These are the 14 gauge CBR rings, if I said that correctly. Then we have some of 16 gauge. This one is basically just tons of stuff. Lips, eyebrows, and they also come with belly button rings. They come with just a plain one, two plain ones, I believe. No, 1 plain one and 1 decorative one. That one is the plain one. And these are 14 gauge, and they come with a decorative one, like so. Usually with a kit, you just pick something that you want, which is like eyebrow, belly, tongue, whatever, and it just comes with a decorative. I bought this body piercing kit. I originally wanted to get it to pierce my tongue, which I have. That's what it looks like. And I have my tongue previously done. I just wanted to re-get it done. I think it's probably been maybe about like 2 years. I probably had it off, maybe even longer, but probably even 3 years. So I wanted to get that done, and I ended up piercing 1, 2, 3, 4. I like 4 new body piercings now. Because I have so much needles left and stuff. But I think if that had something to do with the jewelry, I think I would. But pretty much I liked it. The needles are very, very sharp. They're really sharp, but you can't feel it puncturing the skin. The only thing that I never like about body piercings is the end part. So once you get the needle and say that this is the skin and you insert it, the last part when it comes out, I feel like that hurts the most for me. But anything else, the clamps, they kind of really suck though. They do the job, but they suck because they are plastic. Let me show you. They do hurt because they have little parts in here, little grooves that you probably just need to end up filing. But these are disposable, so you can just use them, throw them away. I still have mine because they had really no blood on them or anything like that. So, yeah, unless I'm going to pierce somebody else, which I'm probably not. I still have an extra one as a backup, but I do want to get the metal ones. I wish they had the metal ones in there. Everything is going to be on the description down below, how much I paid for, the seller, and everything like that. Again, I did get it on Amazon.com. And if you want to do a self-home body piercing, I really suggest it. Just make sure that you are knowledgeable. Do your research before you pierce anything. Make sure you don't pierce any veins or anything like that. Because you're probably going to end up going to the hospital or go seeing your doctor. The reason why I do my self body piercings is because I rather do it myself, because if I fuck up, it's myself, right? And if the if the piercer messes up, then I'm gonna be really pissed off because I did not pay so much money for them to poke a hole in my body and they, you know, messed up. So pretty much it. I've been doing my piercings probably since I was like 13 years old. Overall, 1 out of 5, I give it a 4-star. The reason why I give it a 4-star is because of the clamps. I wish they were metal. But everything else, I think it's pretty cute. And especially, like I said, you get to pick a decorative piece. This one, I'm like, hey, what if I pierce it? I would love to get this one. I mean, they have like decorative tongue rings. I mean, just anything you can think of. So yeah, I wanted this kit again because originally I just wanted to pierce my tongue. I like it that there was different varieties of what is it called? Of different body jewelry in here that I can pierce. So that's pretty much it. So thank you guys. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe, and make sure you guys follow me on my social media pages. Everything is down in the description down below. And that's pretty much it. Bye, guys.
Yeah.